and welcome to our first episode of Artistry Unleashed. I am your host, Aman. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of art, so get ready to unleash your creativity. For those of you who are new to this channel, let me just introduce myself. So my name is Aman. Started at the age of 10. That's where I started loving art. And that's kind of where my journey began with art. I didn't go to school for arts. It's something that I always enjoyed. It was kind of like my side hobby, which turned out to be something that I was passionate about. I basically self-taught myself art. I basically grew up watching art tutorial videos on television, watching TV shows. I'm not sure if you're aware of shows like Art Attack, Crazy Quilt, and I got even more passionate as I grew older. I actually started taking art very seriously. I think art has been always something that I've enjoyed creating, and I love to connect with all of you through this platform, which is the YouTube platform. Just to give you a little insight for those of you who are new, that this is an art series that I've began. First episode starting today. And as we know that these videos will be posted every Wednesday for 5 weeks at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. And you will have access to rewatch these videos even after our 5 weeks series have finished, because they will be posted on YouTube. Before we begin with our first episode, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. So today's video, we're just gonna keep it very light, very basic. We're gonna be diving into the world of doodling. Now, as we know, when we think about doodling, we think about scribbles, making squiggly lines, or making different sorts of shapes. I feel like doodling is more like scribbling aimlessly. Well, if we think about it, doodling is a way to express yourself completely without any rules or expectations. And the best part about doodling is that you only need paper, pen, or pencil. That's it. That's all you need, basically, to do this project. Let's begin with today's episode. Just grabbing a piece of paper. You can grab a pen or pencil. I'm going to be using a pencil. We're going to keep it very simple as this is our first episode. So the best thing about doodling is that it's a fantastic way to relax, unwind, and let your creativity basically flow as you go. And the best part is there's no right or wrong way to doodle. So it's basically all about having fun and letting your imagination take the lead. So using a pencil, I'm going to go ahead and start making my lines. So I'm going to start with making some half circles. If you want, you can continue following the same design that I'm making, but if you want to go ahead and make some of your own designs, if you have a design in mind right now, you can go ahead and create that. But like I said, if you want to follow my design, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm going to continue doing that with each corners of the paper. Now, just on top of the half circles that we've made, I'm basically going to be adding on some more designs. I'm going to continue with this pattern for each of the half circles that I've made. Also, now what we're going to do is, now we're going to add on some swirly lines. I'm going to go ahead and go all the way from the bottom to top. I'm going to add on these swirly lines. Feel free to pause the video if you think that I'm going too fast, or you can rewind the video as well. That's basically the best part of having YouTube videos, is that you can always rewind and rewatch them as many times as you want. Once that's complete, now it's time to add on some color to make the artwork look beautiful. Now for this, whichever art supplies you have available, like crayons, pencil crayons, markers, you can go ahead and use those. I'm gonna go ahead and use some markers for this. I also have some crayons and pencil crayons as well, so I'm gonna add that on there as well. Now, in case if you don't have any art supplies available right now to you, not to worry. Using a pencil, if that's what you have available, you're gonna basically use your pencil to shade inside the design of your choice. You can continue doing that very lightly, just the way how I'm doing it. Same thing goes to those of you who just have a pen available, no other art supplies. You can continue using your pen very lightly, shading inside the design very lightly, just the way how I'm doing it, to color in your design. Using a color of your own choice, I'm just gonna continue on with coloring in the design, and once that's complete, here is the finished look. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video, and hopefully you got to learn a lot from today's episode. I do hope you enjoyed. If you liked today's video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. If you want to share your artwork project that we had done today, go ahead and tag me _Matharu on Instagram, and I would love to see your beautiful artworks. We still have 4 more episodes to go, so I will see you next Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. So get ready, artists, to unleash your creativity with art. Stay creative, and also remember, there are no limits to your imagination. Bye for now.